how to enable or disable Google Keyboard on one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here's a click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. So you will see Advanced Features is here, so click on Advanced Features. Now here, so click on one-handed mode. So after click on one-handed mode, so if you want to enable one-handed mode, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see one-handed mode is enabled. So if you want to disable one-handed mode, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see one-handed mode is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off one-handed mode from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable Google Keyboard one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.